After a new agent gets a listing, they should be in communication with the seller throughout the whole process, whether it's a client or a showing they had on the property, an open house. I'm always keeping the seller updated as to who was in their home, how serious they were, if they're gonna make an offer or not. This keeps the seller knowing what's going on and not just thinking like, all right, you're playing games. You got people coming in and out of the house. They haven't heard anything about any offers or whether or not the price is good or whether or not there's interest. So you always want to keep a seller updated. Not saying you should stalk them every 5 minutes with updates, but if I had an open house on Saturday, by Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, I'm going to give them, an update on how the open house went, whether or not we have interest in the property, and the same thing with showings. Maybe not every single day, especially if there's no interest in the showing. So if a few agents show the property throughout the week and nobody's really interested, I might wait till Friday to say, hey, 3 or 4 people saw it this week, but no interest yet. We're gonna do another open house on, this weekend. But I'm not gonna, you don't wanna bother the seller, but at the same time, definitely wanna keep them updated so they know what's going on. It's their house at the end of the day.